about to make the Halloween video.
We're gonna have exploding pumpkins, flying pumpkins, fucking pumpkins, baby. One of you motherfuckers want to grab the beer instead of just filming me?
Every time I turn around, dude,
Thank you,
talking
dude.
I will
shit.
suck the shit out of
Appreciate
you.
it, man.
Use your goddamn hand. Be a man. Do for the YouTube. Eat some pumpkin seeds. Put that shit in your mouth.
It's so nasty. I can't even
Put it in your fucking. Is it good?
No. All right. Well, we pretty much got all the pumpkins carved. That will save us a lot of boring time that you guys won't have to watch. But now we're just waiting on Johnny. Pretty much.
Let's go.
We're gonna do pumpkin carving, but whoever does the best one, YouTube themed, I guess you could
Yeah,
say,
YouTube related.
is it can be judged by his wife.
Yeah, my wife is gonna judge it.
And we're gonna.
All right, babe. Which one of those do you think is the better one? It's a YouTube theme. Which one of those do you like the best?
Middle.
You mother.
Oh yeah, that's definitely gonna work.
Yeah, close it up.
It's definitely gonna work.
Yeah.
Let's
Money.
go. That was money.
Kick it.
Oh.
Tighten. Oh god damn.
All right, y'all get the fuck on my property.